This is the H80 Pro from Muso. So, sabay natin unbox. I've been a gaming chair fan since like forever. So, nung nakita ko na merong gaming chair, but it's not really a gaming chair, but it's an ergonomic chair. So, nag-grab na kagad ako. So, I tried it. So, dumating na dito, I ordered it, and it's the Muso H80 Pro. So, samahan niyo akong unbox. So, what's in the box? So, yung mismo, this is their mouse pad. It's a little bit empty here sa ano kasi you're still populating the new house. This is the mouse pad that they've sent. Wow! Uy! Nice! This is a leather mouse pad. As you can see, leather siya. Ayan. Ganda. Nice. Meron siyang parang, I don't know what's this pero this is really cool. Kasi ito mismo yung branding nila. If you can see it. Yan. So, gano'n tayo sa box. Okay. Let's take this away first. Gonna open the box. So, ayun na, lagay ko na sa box, ilabas ko na sa box yung mga ano, and as you can see, pawis tayo kasi ang bibigat ng pyesa, and I will try to assemble this one right now. So, go! Okay, so I'm done assembling the major parts of the chair, and I'm gonna bring everything up and assemble the three parts, mainly the wheelbase, the chair, and the headrest, so that I don't have to, carry it all at once kasi sobrang bigat niya. I assure you, sobrang bigat. So, testing din natin after. Okay, so we're done. Na-assemble na natin dito yung mga parts. Those are three parts na dito na. So, ito yung isa, the headrest, tapos yung body, and the wheelbase. So, seat test naman tayo. So, nagkamit ko na rin pala yung mismong free na mousepad, leather mousepad nila. So, medyo ganun-ganun pa siya dahil siguro naka-roll. So, testing na natin. Oh! Oh! Nice! Oh. So, yung lumbar niya, may laban, oh. Okay. Tapos meron siya support dito sa balakang. So, hindi mo na kailangan nung pillow. Tsaka hindi mo na kailangan dito kasi ito, na-adjust din siya. Yan, oh. Gusto mo na ayan, okay. And then, meron siyang parang barbershop style. So, mahilig kasi akong magpahinga. So, pwede mo siya i-ganyan. Tapos, testing natin to. Ayan, ito. And then, ito isa pa maganda. Yung mismo armrest niya is, alam siyang ibaba. Up, down, and up. Tapos, ito yung mismong base, naiikot siya. So pwede mo siya nakaganyan. Parang nakayakap siya sa'yo. Like that. Okay? So pag ano, sarap. Tapos pwede mo siya i-ganon. Pinaka-wide na articulation. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos pwede mong i-up and down yung ano. Tapos yung mismong puwet, pwede mo siyang i-forward and back. Depende kung gaano kalaking support sa legs mo yung yung mismong chair. And overall, sobrang satisfied ako. Galing niya. Kasi yung mismong niya, natataas. Yan. So, hindi ko pa kabisado actually lahat. Kasi I think na-adjust din yata yung lumbar. But I don't know. Pero I'm gonna update you guys siguro mga after 1 week of using this. And take note, I already had the Muso na seat, pero hindi siya yung mesh like this. So gaming chair, fabric gaming chair. And I think I'm very satisfied with this. Yung fabric gaming chair ko is nasa anak ko na bunso. And he is very happy with it. So yun lang guys, and I'll see you guys on the next unboxing review. Cheers!